Sprouts are one of the best food to feed to your birds. My king parrot loves sprouts. Let's see if he comes. Kingsley, got something for you. Kingsley, come. Kingsley, look. Come on. Come on. Go. Gonna make a liar out of me. Oh, there he goes. Ah, he dived right in. Oh, sorry, it's blurry. If you haven't tried sprouts, I highly recommend that you do, because that's what they normally eat in the wild. Fresh. Oh, there's my marbles. My mustache parakeet, she wants some too. Hey, you like those? These are sprouted sunflower seeds. Yummy. What a good boy. Good boy.